Today, we're going to look at how to create a contact. When you first open the new web console, this is the screen you'll see. From here, click on Contact Management, then Contacts. We'll start by creating an individual contact, and then we'll show how you can create multiple contacts at once. First, click on Create Contact for the individual. Create a user ID. For this demo, the OP ID will be testing 202. Then enter your first and last name. Next, enter an email and phone number. You do not have to add yourself into any groups right now. This can be changed later as well. Once that's ready, click Save. The contact has now been successfully created. Now we're going to look at how to import a list of contacts, or multiple contacts. If you already have a list, you can click Choose File, or if you do not yet, you can download the CSV template that we have. Make sure all of these fields are filled out for the contacts you want to create, and delete all of our sample contacts. For this demo, we're going to use this sample template Excel sheet. Select Choose File. Choose the template that we just downloaded. Click Confirm and Import. The system will show how many contacts you are importing. In this case, we're importing 4. It will also show you the summary of the contacts after the import is done. Click Done, and you are all set.